When we stepped aboard this Gemini 105Mc sail catamaran, it had been sitting in a boatyard for over 2 years, abandoned to the elements. The interior was in horrible condition. Layers of dust, thick grime, and mold covered almost every surface. The air was heavy with the musty scent of closed compartments and neglected systems. All the wood surfaces were dry, faded, and lifeless, and the cabin was filled with old equipment, forgotten tools, and years of accumulated debris. It was the kind of challenge we loved to take on. With a team of 2, we dedicated an entire day to bringing this vessel's interior back to life. We started with a deep cleaning of the entire cabin, galley, and head. Using our specially formulated mold remover agent, we tackled every moldy surface, scrubbing down walls, ceilings, storage compartments, and even under the settees. Next, we focused on the woodwork. Years' lack of care and neglect had drained it of its natural warmth. We applied teak cleaner to every wooden surface, removing the dirt. Once clean, we treated the wood with an abundant coat of premium teak oil, restoring its natural tone and depth. We didn't stop there. Every fiberglass surface inside was carefully washed, then waxed to bring back its original shine. All the interior stainless steel, grab rails, fixtures, and hardware was polished to a mirror finish. By the end of the day, the difference was astonishing. While the boat still needs some restoration and minor repairs, the interior has been completely transformed. It's clean, fresh, and finally livable again. A true revival for this classic catamaran.